skies. And I can't believe I made it this far. Trying to tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel. I'm just trying to tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel. I think I'm telling you that.
Well, bro, baby shower, number two. Number two, you feel me?
For the little boy who lives down the lane, bad, bad. Blue sheet,
Twinkle, little star. Hey, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Ooh, Kalia, girl. You got that warrior, I got that bossing on side of the bed, and you want it, girl. Oh, yeah, you want it, girl. Told. I did it wrong. Head, knee, cup.
My damn light.
Alright, so who won on this? Alright, y'all ready, man? Get in the position, right? Get in the position, right? Get in the position.
Me and my dog been 6 months pregnant. He about to pop. This nigga about 4 months. He about to pop.
You gotta lower your legs. You gotta stay up. You can't lower. You no. Cheating. Okay. Knee, shoulder, head, knee, head, cup.
We both got some stuff. I ain't going for that.
Already.
Y'all 1 and 1.
Y'all work. Alright. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Alright. Knee, shoulder, ankle, head, shoulder, knee, head, shoulder, cup.
Do it again, do it again.
I ain't got no part. How old are you?
Step back a little bit, head, cup.
Well, that's my brother, boy.
That nigga got that ring.
Put it back. Shoulder.
Look at that.
Knee.
Look at that. Leaning over.
Yeah, that rap lean on too.
Straight up, I don't have no control of my upper body, bro. I don't got no upper body. I'm
Okay. Head.
Hold on. I go put a couple of some more.
Shoulder. Knee. Head. Ear. Shoulder. Cup. Head. Shoulder. Knee. Toe. Head. Shoulder. Grab your ass. Shoulder. Knee. Cup.
Oh, it's over.
Alright, we got Kobe on that one, man. Toe, knee, shoulder, head, shoulder, knee, toe, cup. Alright, this is it, y'all. This is it. We're gonna see who's fast. We're gonna see. Y'all better bet some money. I got my money on round, man.
I got my money on Kobe.
What you bet?
10 to the house.
Alright. Head, shoulder, knee, toe, toe, toe,
No.
toes,
No.
shoulders,
No.
knees,
No.
head,
No.
toes,
Man, come on, man. What's going on?
knees, head. Ooh, they want it, y'all. Look at them. Look at them.
Talk about, man. Leave, bro. Cheat, man.
Look at them. They want it. They want it. Come on, man. Come on, we finna get right, man.
Back up, bro. Behind the line.
Head, shoulders, knees, cup. All right, rematch. Rematch, man.
We're gonna do a rematch, man.
The cup without a bell.
I know I wasn't going out without a fight. My baby on my hip.
Oh, put it on your stomach. All right. Y'all ready? Head, shoulders, toes, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, cup.
Oh!
Okay, y'all won.
That's 2-1.
Y'all won.
Bro, stop it, bro.
Jalen, you big
Oh, my
out,
soul,
bro.
he was out when he went against me. That's what I'm saying. So it
You
really
like
me
to
and
get
Rab.
grabbed, Jalen.
So it really me and Rab. I don't gotta go against you. Yes, you do. I mean, they gotta go against one of them. Gotta go against one of them. You know what I'm saying? Against who?
I'm talking to the Jazz, bro. You see your dad? What's wrong with your dad? Well, your dad got the cameras in you. You see that? What's wrong with it?
All right, okay. I need 10 people, man. Bro, share.
Lousy, please.
Yum yum,
Appreciate it. Yeah, Raphael did, don't you? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Boo. Hey, we at a car meet right now. Y'all can tell. If y'all can tell, I'll be doing that shit for Zay. They be doing a light skin face. But hell yeah, we getting some rollers and shit right now. Shit, I just made it to the gym all late. I thought they was gonna be gone, but shit, nah. Let me show y'all what. We got Acura TL, got MA, Miata, WRZ, ST. That's a ST right there. Yeah, we got the ST right there. Yeah. That's the market. Look at that. Sound good. Got the E-clip. What type of E-clip? That's a GS6.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, DSM. DSM.
Oh, okay. Well, they used to be my favorite car on Midnight Club. Yeah. Damn. Ain't gonna lie, if he get some white wheels on it and keep that blue, crazy. Damn. Everybody got wheels. Yeah, nigga. Ain't no cool right there. Oh, it's crazy.
Man, it's hard, bro. I'm trying to get the right moment because I hate this gimbal, man. I need a new one, bro. These lights are like, they moved. Hold on, they moved. Okay.
Damn, so you about?
That's about it.
What, got the lights in here? That shit crazy. Oh, bro, they kind of look like the Super inside.
Yeah.
How it go like
Yeah,
that?
all the 90s and 80s JDM shit, like they all came with cockpit style, like driver focused stuff. That's what I really enjoyed about like 90s stuff. It was all
Damn.
driver focused.
No cracks or nothing. It's crazy, bro. Bro, the trunk's so damn big, bro.
Oh, you want to see the trunk being big? You ain't seen it. You ain't seen the trunk being big.
God damn.
You ain't seen the trunk being big. I can sleep in this bitch if I wanted to.
You really can.
One of my best friends said something right before I bought this. I was like, man, I can either get a place of my own or get another car because I know mine's about to break. She said, you can always live in your car. You're damn right I can.
That's crazy, bro. Yeah, this ain't tough, bro.
Thank you. I for sure appreciate it.
Yeah. Some guy cute too.
Yeah,
Put the
sure.
white wheels on it.
Yeah,
Oh
that's
my
what I
God.
was saying, man. My
That's
mechanic
really
doesn't
it, bro.
believe me.
That's
He
really
doesn't
it.
believe in the vision.
Damn, who that?
Oh, Cody said there's a couple of Miatas coming through.
A bunch of Miata. What the fuck?
Yeah. You don't know Miata?
What the fuck? Ah, them little takeover people. Yeah, them on Miata be at the takeovers. That shit crazy. Look at hot. Look at dude. Oh, I got the Miata. Damn, we even got a Jeep. We even got a Jeep. See, now I don't feel as bad. Gonna put my shit in here. Yeah, they that motherfucker, one of them be at takeover, 2 of them, 3 of them. I'm pretty sure the one without the bumper. Bro, why it sound like one car combined? Like all of them combined sound like one car. You about to head up? What you at? WX. Bro.
You coming out, bro?
You got the WRX?
Yeah.
Bro, why do WRX sound like V8s? Like,
this one-
the tone, like, so aggressive, bro.
2.5 and these are so much more rowdy than the old ones were too.
Man.
I get people all the time asking for real.
For
Because
real?
they know no shit about cars. I was in a drive-thru not that long ago. He's like, dude, what's that got? A 7, a 5.2, a 5? Like, no.
Bro, this one in my apartment, bro, it sounds like a V8, like, loud as fuck, but it's
Loud,
like good as
gold
hell.
star.
This shit crazy.
Especially because we don't drive mine every day anymore. Like once or twice a week is it. It's loud on gold star.
I fuck with it, bro.
For sure.
Be safe on that road. Oh, shit.
I'm gonna film him coming out.
You
Good, good.
He's coming out, he's coming out.
The boy got the Miata. Let me drive that junk.
Oh man, nah, not this one.
I got one you can buy, then you can drive it.
I never drove one.
Is it
before.
head?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a Miata?
Yeah.
How much you want for that joint, bro?
I'm asking 45.
It look like this.
It's a little bit. Yeah.
Like, you got the
Yeah.
outlet.
Yeah.
He coming. He got it now.
Well, that's so many Miatas. What the fuck?
You're good. I got you. That's scary. You know, my car probably could make this car run like.
Bro, I never seen so many Miatas, bro.
I know, right? I wish I had mine. God damn.
Bro, that's crazy, bro. This big. It's so wrong.
I don't know it though. I just think it's like a dump car.
You got that? Bet. So many Miatas. What the fuck? That's why I like it.
It's all good. It's all good.
How do it feel to be a Miata?
There ain't nothing like it, man.
Yeah. Bro, that's crazy, bro. There's so many Miatas, bro. Look at dude, bro. Bro fell out. He can't slide no more and shit. Nah, let me chill out. Let me chill. first. Let her get this car in first. Look at the Benz.
He's one of the captain, man.
We got the intercooler. You want it? Give me red, man. Give me red. You gotta upgrade the intercooler on it?
No, I mean, it's not factory yet.
Oh.
It's upgraded.
Well, be safe on that road, bro. This is crazy, bro. You got the SD?
Yeah, I got
Let me drive that bit, bro.
Huh?
I said, let me drive that bit, bro.
I'm gonna start taking pictures now.
That shit crazy.
I got you, man. Hey, bro, thank you for coming, man. Y'all coming to Apex 1?
I'll be there.
Alright, man. Alright, bro.
You got best one.
Apex 1.
That shit's so strange, bro. Just say you want to jump. I mean, I can see you up. I used to want one, but let's go. I guess. Yeah. Ain't gonna cut. That's all he needs. Like, if he ever want to do something else to it, we put the air in it, we like that. Yeah. He got the mini tires and everything. Like, that be ready. It's yours. Yeah. I seen you before. Yeah? You know, Tony. Yeah. But it be hard, bro.
You probably haven't seen this one. I got this one back in March.
Oh, you had a different one ever?
Yeah, if we met at like David's Burgers or something,
Yeah.
I was probably in a black one that had a number on the side.
Yeah.
Same hard top, so it's got the same stickers on it.
Everybody likes the Miatas, bro. It's crazy.
Thanks, Zach.
RS.
Oh, shit. Put the kick ass on, my bad.
Stop my phone.
The boy's about to head out. Right?
He start this shit.
Damn, what you about to do right now?
Switch lenses real quick.
Oh. Well, I did not know these motherfuckers had back seats.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I took my back seats out though. I was gonna do a full thing.
Watch your back, bro. Watch your back,
Oh,
man. You good, you good.
Oh, you about to rail that down? Let me get that jump. Get the rail in real quick. How loud this be though. Let's see how loud this is. Okay, gauging. Okay.
What's up, bro?
Midnight Club.
Something like that. It's not midnight, though. It's like 7:30. Look, I got bad time, bro. Come on now.
You gotta give me one tap.
You said what? 110?
If you don't mind. Okay, I might steal it tonight. I don't know. Depending on how I'm feeling. I might steal it. Depending.
See, it's cool. He kept me mad.
That'd be hard. The question of the day, can I drive the Miata?
Man.
I know how to drive clutch.
No.
And I'm a rookie.
My clutch is too old. Well, it's got like 60K on it. It's not too old, but.
What stage you got?
No, it's just a stock one, bro. It's just a flying me out of stock one.
Whoa. Look at that stick. That stick thing. That shit hard.
Y'all know Catcher Montgomery? Y'all know that? Y'all know Catcher?
He got here?
Catcher Montgomery? Y'all know dude?
Look up, bro.
Yeah.
I knew him.
Bro, oh, you know him?
Yeah, I used to work at Riley's with him.
Bro, tell me why he said he bought a 4Runner for $40.
You bought a what?
A 4Runner.
For 40?
No,
Yeah,
it's
third gen.
Dude hat. Backwards hat.
Oh, that was him?
No, it's just.
Oh. Man, he knew who that was.
Bro, no, I didn't, bro. I don't know all the Miata guys.
Man, y'all deep today, bro.
Nah.
This is the most I've seen.
No cap, I thought you were short as fuck.
Nah.
It's always tall as it.
Yeah. You know what? I gotta get my car.
So you gonna spin that bit around? I just need some content.
Nah, he wildin'.
I just need.
Little Rock PD, bro. I didn't have it.
No, they don't let you about to go crazy tonight.
Nah, bro. I'm not sliding tonight. Am I sliding? I gotta get another motor for that.
For real?
Yeah, it's knocking.
So your shit just paused.
Bro, one of them meets where I also tempted to jump over that motherfucker.
This when I first started sliding this up.
That shit crazy.
It's on the access road.
You said first time.
Yeah. I only stay in first gear the whole time. I mean, that's all I can get second gear. Only when it's wet, though.
That motherfucker fish feeling like I got the Gladiator. Man, you ain't ready for that.
Hell yeah. Too many car games.
We was supposed to hop on Car X, bro. Never hopped on.
I be
Maybe by that bullshit.
Bro, get on. I still got it.
For real?
Yeah, on me, I play that hoe.
Man, I saw like, damn, man. Oh, damn, he did that.
We can play tonight if you want to.
Yeah.
I ain't going to no car games today. I ain't got no turn signals on this hoe. The turn signal is fucked up. I tried to fix the wiring and everything. Walter, go look how I fixed my turn signal. Like,
take off the top.
The top?
Yo, just do this. When you about to turn.
Just look up under the dash.
Miata game. How do you feel about being on Miata? How do you feel like being on YouTube?
Single.
Okay. Dog. Whoa. NRG right here.
Nah, it's not NRG. That wheel is not NRG, but I got the other wheel at the house. That's like some replica eBay wheel that I ordered off eBay.
That's like NRG.
No, this is the middle piece.
Oh, okay. It's the bash. Resell.
You already know it. Resell. I just said fuck it.
Oh, you said that actual shit. Yeah. You fucked. Oh, you actually recording that shit. That's crazy.
Yeah.
You got to get all the content, you know?
Fact.
Not that kind of
spin it. This is what I want you to do. Spin it. This is what I want you to do.
Bro,
I want you.
Bro, like when I can't slide and I don't. I got tired, bro. Little Rock, the PD is right there.
Okay, this is what you do.
Slide fast enough.
You get an egg, you throw it at their car, and then slide.
I like your life, bro. I seen that 350Z bash bar bumper you got. You need to run that shit.
It's under. It's under.
It's under?
Yeah.
Why you don't take it off?
I like women.
Good job. See, go work hard after that.
I'll take it. Yeah, it's right there. What a lick. What the fuck? Oh, shit, he parked right there.
No, for real. I remember back when that mug was great. Had a mismatched hood. Had to go off back.
I seen my boy Josh shot too.
Oh,
Yeah. Someone else got one of them joints. It's a black one, bro. He be at the meat. It's a black one just like that, bro.
I don't even know.
He be making reels, bro.
Huh? Shoot, probably never. Never.
He said, who you don't know him?
But if you want to get an RSX, you can get one. We can cruise together.
Bro, why you didn't park over here, bro? You weird, bro.
Too tight up here, man.
Man, you could have looped around, bro. Let us get a tour, bro.
What's up, man?
Bro, this someone else got a black one. I swear, you need to find, bro. Man. He got one just like this. I'm surprised you don't know him. He was doing reels and shit.
Oh, really?
Hell yeah.
They about to head out?
Why you didn't want him to park over here, bro?
Huh?
Why you didn't want him to park over here?
Who?
Bro.
Because that's his sister's car, and I ain't want, in case we gotta run out, I ain't want him to be tight.
This is JDM, though.
I mean, he can come in.
I'll pull it in, bro. I'll pull it
Yeah,
in.
pull it in,
It's
man.
super easy.
Yeah, that's that hash joint. That joint tough. Aura.
I'm still loving this. I'm feeling this.
You gonna hop on? Wait.
What? Oh, him
You
leaning
gonna
on
hop
your
on
shit?
Is you gonna
I want to
hop
rush
on
your
some
shit
hoes?
first.
Is you gonna hop on some hoes?
First of all, nah.
This is the longest you've been outside. Like, how
That's
do you
weird,
feel?
right? The fucking moon's out and shit. About to transform into an emo.
Oh. What the fuck? Bro about to park, bro. He gonna have to park over there by the Miata though. Yeah.
This shit already wide.
Yeah. I hear bats. Oh, there's one right there. Did I catch that? Oh shit. Motherfucking bat, bro. I'm trying to get him on camera. There two. Oh. Bats, bro. This is bats, bro. I feel like a vamp. I feel like Playboy Cardi. I feel opium.
You can't use any of those words in the same sentence as Playboy Cardi. That was free.
What the fuck? What the fuck? You don't want to talk to him. Okay, we got something nice. We got the gel still right there. Freaky ass dude, bro.
There's another one off another Miata and connect it. Reattach all the wires.
Look at the pipe, bro. Truck pipe. I like to see. Got that Spider-Man. Spider-Man right there. Spider-Man car. Got that Spider-Man. We got the clean bits right here. Texas. See, Miatas. Everywhere I look, Miatas. Yeah, we need to. Brother, it's over with. We head out. Picking up my food. Make sure y'all tap in. Slim Chicken, bro. I'm about to take my ass home.
Man, I'm over talking about J-Boo, my man. J-Booski. Man, shit this shit.